sorry, if I may ask, kasi syempre, ngayon dahil may election na, and your mom was present during Senator Miriam.
Well, you know, I mean, ang tagal na namin friends sa Tita Miriam. She's like a mom to me, and she's my mom's mentor, and you know, we knew about it, we talked about it, and it was perfectly fine for all of us that she would go because, you know, it's natural. She's the friend of my mom. So, ang politika naman dapat labas talaga ang pamilya at friendship pagdating sa ganyan. Kasi madami mga nag-aaway na pamilya dahil sa politika. Hindi kami ganoon. And I'm very, very confident that my family is very strong after everything we've been through. So something like that shouldn't really bother us. It's not a problem. We're all entitled to, you know, who we want. But hanggang May pa naman, meron tayong time to convince her.
Did you talk about it?
Yeah. We knew.
Ano yung reaction ni Senator Chi?
Okay naman. Ano naman siya eh. Of course, syempre naman, understandable naman, diba? Okay lang yun.
Pero ano sinabi mo
And I spoke to Tita Miriam as well.
What did she tell?
Actually, sinabi niya, you know, she doesn't have to go. You know, I mean, we're friends, ganyan. Pero syempre, yung mommy ko, para she wanted to show her loyalty, ganyan. Ako rin, I talked to her, but Tita Miriam said, you know, it's just right that you stand by your husband. And, I respect that and we'll always be friends, sabi niya. You know, even if we won't talk or we talk after how many years, friends don't forget each other. So, wala kang problema.
And nakakatuwa si Senator Cheese even mentioned na sabi niya, I'll convince yung mommy mo daw na
Liligawan niya ulit.
for Senator
Liligawan
Grace.
niya ulit.
Anong sabi mo about it? Kasi
Wala, okay naman. I mean, ganun talaga eh, di ba? Parang, kailangan natin makita lahat sila. We have the right to look at everybody. Kung ano, sino talagang gusto natin. And she's my mom, and madali lang naman din dahil pamilya naman din kami. But, yeah,